How you can turn any flat 2D artwork into a realistic 3D bas-relief for CNC or deep laser engraving. Today, I'll walk you through the full process using Luma-Loft, step by step. We'll kick things off by opening the Tools drop-down and picking the Style Transformer. This is an optional step to make your output results more consistent and impressive. Scroll down and to select the Smooth 3D Sculpt preset. This creates the ideal foundation for your bas-relief art. To preview the effect, activate the comparison slider, and hit Use this style. Next up, upload your chosen image from the Files Explorer. Choose the photo you want to convert. To fine-tune your result, open the Advanced Settings menu, enable Convert to Grayscale, and hit Transform Image to start processing. Use the preview sliders to compare before and after results, then download your design and send it directly to the Depth and Mesh Maker tool. Add Depth Map Mesh Maker. If needed, remove the background, and then generate a rich depth map for your project. Refine the depth map by adjusting blending sliders and tuning sliders. Make sure to turn on Apply Background Mask toggle on. Make small adjustments like mid-tone tweaks or opacity changes to balance the model's depth. Work with highlight and mid-tone sliders, boost contrast for sharper definition, and use blending amount for optimal details. Once you're happy, hit Apply Blend, then download your depth map and go ahead to generate your 3D mesh. Explore and review your created 3D bas-relief model by rotating and zooming in or out. Drag to move your view around in the 3D workspace. Select the material appearance, anything from wood to glossy plastic. Then inspect fine details close up by scrolling and zooming in. Enhance surface quality with detail enhancement and surface smoothing sliders. Dial in mesh properties like height scale and base clipping for precise relief depth. Move around your model and scroll to explore. You can refine the cliff edge thickness, make adjustments on the fly, and polish the boundaries for a clean look. Set your material style, select the source texture or real wood, then refine surface details for maximum realism. Ready to export? Just click Export, choose GLB within your 3D file is set for CNC, or more editing. Working in another software? Close out your design session. To find your exported mesh, head over to your Downloads folder, select the GLB file, and open it in your favorite 3D editor. Finally, import your mesh, and review and edit it as necessary. You've just learned how to convert 2D art into a beautiful 3D bas-relief ready for deep engraving or CNC work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more 3D design guides.